In this video, we are going to create 3 clean Apple-style animations that look professional and smooth. So let's get started. Shape morphing. Start by creating a new project and add any shape you like. I'll be using a rectangle for this example. Go to Move and Transform, open the Scale property, and add keyframes to animate the scale so it changes smoothly. Once you've set the basic animation, go into Shape, Edit Shape. Here you can adjust the corners, edges, and radius to morph the shape from one form to another. Animate these changes so the shape gradually transforms, rather than snapping instantly. You can also adjust the X and Y values to stretch or squash the shape in creative ways. Experiment with different shapes, for example, morphing a rectangle into a circle, or turning a triangle into a rounded blob. This will give your animation a more organic and fluid style. Now let's create a clean gradient background. Add a circle shape and choose any color you like. Apply the scatter effect and adjust the settings for a nice spread. Duplicate this circle a few times, changing the colors each time for variation. Bounce animation. Add any shape, and after adding 2 keyframes, add this graph and your bounce animation is ready.